Good evening, kids. So who is this Prasanna Gunturi? Hi Kritika, hi Shivani.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Okay, so show me if you can the homeworks if you have done.
Sir, you didn't send the link for the homework.
Is it okay? Maybe I have missed it.
Sir, give me 2 minutes. I'll be right back.
Okay, so I didn't send it, right? So I looks like I forgot. So I'll check it if I have sent it. Batch 16. Yeah, looks like I have not sent the mail and the link. So I wish any one of you had sent a reminder. But it's okay. So we'll get started today. So I will send it end of this day. So last class videos plus homework also I'll send it. This class video and homework both I'll send it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let me change the camera and okay. So first I'm going to hope you are all ready with your drawing pad with the proper mask. So let me draw the boundaries so that you can clearly see. So you don't have to draw this. So I'm just drawing so that you can clearly see the boundaries of my masking tape and drawing sheet. Okay, so as usual, so let us make the basic sketch. So I'm going to make the basic sketch. We are going to draw the colorful um, bird. So from here, so I'm just starting. Maybe I can make the body a little bigger. It's the body of this bird. Is the body of the bird. So I'll make the body little smaller. Where is my eraser? So this is the body of the bird, and the head of the bird is going to be here like this. So look at this, I'm making a oval here. So I just made a oval for the head of the bird. This head, okay, the neck also we can draw by making another curve like this. So here is the neck of the bird. Okay. Sanirudh, so how are you? So hope you are able to draw. Are you started drawing?
Sir, I just came and started drawing. So are we drawing a peacock?
So draw this, Madhu. This is not a peacock. So draw this basic shape. Then here is the basic shape. It's like a parakeet. Okay, Shivani. Shivani, the head can be a little bigger actually. Okay. So look at this. I made it like a oval, not a circle. So the Shivani in the body size கொஞ்சம் சிறுசு பண்ணிக்கலாம். You can make it looks like you made it bigger, can be little smaller. Okay, so you can do this correction.
Okay.
Yeah, make this like a oval, and the body size can be little smaller. So once you draw this, show me. Then after that, we'll draw the beak and other details. But we need to have the correct proportion in this stage. Kritika, so for you also appears like the body is little bigger. You can reduce the size. The head size you can little bit make it bigger. I see you have done a oval. You can make it little bigger actually, you know. So once you reduce the body size, then it will be all right. So reduce the body size a little bit, and head size can be improved. Maybe little
Okay,
bigger.
sir.
Make it, yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm seeing from Anirudh. So Anirudh, looks like there are some special effect in your camera. Your drawing is not seen well. It is all blurred. I could not see it. Bring it closer, maybe. So still, it looks like it's some zoom settings you need to correct. See, I'm not able to see your artwork. So you have to disable some settings, touch settings, or I don't think. Where is your brother? Your brother did not join today? No? So I don't hear your voice. Hmm. Still, I could not hear your voice. Some audio issue, I guess. Okay, so we need to disable some settings. I'm not able to see your drawing, but I'm able to see you. So I guess you have enabled some touch appearance, touch up my appearance. I think that you have enabled. You have to disable that in video settings. Okay, Anirudh. So try call your parents or somebody. Then, so now I am not able to see your artwork.
Sir,
Yes, Kritika. I think it is better now. Yeah. But Shivani, the head is fine, but the body is still bigger actually. You see the height. So this is the middle, right? Middle of my sheet. Okay, so the body is little less than the middle of the sheet, almost in the middle or little. Okay, so that you can see. So here is the my sheet. Okay, so where is the middle? 1920. So here is the middle of my sheet. Okay, look at this. This is the middle. Okay, so here is the middle of my sheet. So it's a little below than that. But what you have drawn is bigger actually, you know. Just try one more time quickly, then we'll start furnishing other details. So Madhu, will you show? Have you sketched?
yes. Give me a minute. The paper looks a bit folded, but it's not folded. That's just some type. I don't know why.
So you have to fix it properly with the masking tape. So if you have good interest in art, you have to all that follow the whatever I say exactly.
Okay.
Okay, Shivani, I'm waiting for you. Then once I see, then you have corrected, then I'll start. Okay, Shivani, nice. Okay, so let's get going. Okay, nice. Yeah. Mm. Okay, so let me add the the details of the. So the here I'm going to make a see. We are going to make. I'm going to make the neck here. Actually, look at this. So here is a neck. Neck comes like this, and also I'm making a circle here. I mean, making a curve here. So making a curve here. Okay, then other thing I'm going to make is the beak. Beak we are going to do. See, I'm making a point here. Look at this. Marking a point here, and so I'm going to make a. Okay, so I'll make this beak like this, making this curve. Then from the top, so I'm going to make a smooth curve, another smooth curve. So this is the beak. So this is the beak. One small correction I need to do for the lower beak. From here, I'll make it a little bigger actually like this. So I made like this. So with this, first I'm going to erase the guideline. So this line is not required at all. And this line also I'm erasing. Okay, so we are kind of almost done with this bird. Um, then the eyes we are going to draw. And there is another shape here. So making this line, okay, I just made this line. Then I'm just making this curve. Because the eye is going to be here, this spot. Here is the eye. Okay, then Let me erase this line. First we do this line, right? So I'm erasing this line. Now I'm going to make the wing like this. So this is one wing, and here is the neck, and the other wing is here. Okay, so here we complete this drawing. So if you want correction, you can show it to me. So we'll wait for 2 minutes, then I will erase this, then we'll start with the coloring. I'm seeing from Kritika. Kritika நல்லா தான் இருக்கு. So இந்த ஃபேஸ் வந்து இன்னுமே கொஞ்சம் பெருசா போட்டுக்கலாம். Okay, it is all right. It is fine. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Hey, ஒன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, Shivani, looks good. The shape is good. Shape is good, but the look at this, for the beak, the curve is more, right? So I kept a dot here. Look at this, curve is more. That you need to notice. Okay, otherwise it is all right. Okay, so I'm going to erase this. So I'm erasing little more than 50%. So I'm able to see the sketch even after erasing. Okay, for background, I'm going to make some colors. So I'm taking the colors like normal sap green, normal green, this olive green, some yellow ochre. And there is a light color like this. So all these colors I'm taking. And this is for the, so this lighter color. Okay, so this is, so looks like in yellow, but it is very light. So using this color for the near the beak. Okay, so near the beak, I'm using this color. So I'm not filling the bird now. So I'm just filling the color outside. So outside area, the various colors I'm going to fill. You don't have to fill exactly like what I do, but so I'm just making something like this. Here I'm making olive green. So you can also use different green, so green based background. So I'm trying to fill it. And here I'm going to make this green. So this is simply, I'm just making some design for the background. So anyway, don't worry about the exact shape also. Soon we are going to make blending. So blending with the tissue paper I'm going to do. So you can fill any green based colors like this. Light green, little dark green, olive green, and this yellow. All. So this time we are making the background first. Then after that, we'll fill color for the bird. Okay, so I've filled with all these colors. So near the beak, I deliberately kept a light color because beak is going to be dark. So to get the contrast, I have done light color. Then I'm taking tissue paper and so I'm going to blend it. Okay, I'm using tissue paper and so I'm going to blend it. So I'm doing the circular motion. circular motion so that the colors stay in the same place. Maybe for the area close to the beak or close to the bird, you can use earbud. Maybe start with the lighter color, then we go to the darker color. So I'm blending this lighter color now. Okay, now I'm doing other colors. It's always it is small circular motion. Then the colors stay in that area itself. So it is okay if colors go here and there. Maybe I'll blend all the light colors first. So I just blended the yellow, then light green, then I'll do dark green. So generally we do the background later, but we do background first now because background is lighter and our bird is going to be more darker with the strong orange and red colors. So we are doing the lighter color first. Okay, so I have blended. So show me when you complete the background blending. Then we'll start filling the color for the bird. Okay, so Anirudh's artwork is so little bit I can see. Still, you have to disable your virtual. It is looking very soft. It is very much blurred, Anirudh. So only your face is we can see clearly, but your artwork when you show it is very much blurred. Okay, looks good, Shivani. Very nice, beautiful, beautifully done. Looks very good.
Thank you.
So I'm taking camera closer to the head. So we are going to do the head first. So you need the pencil, then white you can take. Gray also I'm taking. Okay, Kritika, it is nice. Nice. Good work. Okay. Okay, Kritika, good. Let's start making the eye and all the details. So see, I'm going to, okay, so the white, a lot of white we are going to use. So I'm going to use white in the middle of the eye. I'm just keeping this white. Okay, so I just put some white. So I'm applying white in the middle of the eye. Also here in this area also, in the bottom, most of the face we have to apply white first actually. So I'm just filling with the white. Also in the beak also. Okay, so in the beak also I'm filling with the white. Because later some scrapping we are going to do. So in the beak also I'm applying some white. In the below the eye, okay, below the eye, here also I'm applying some white. So I have applied white here, all these places. So now a little bit of this green. You can use light green, or it's better to use olive green. If you have olive green, use that, or like in the eye. So touching a little bit this, because these eyes are little colored actually. So a little bit green I have touched in the eye. Okay, a little bit green like this I've touched. Then so I'm going to, with the white, and make it soft. Okay, so I just, the white, I just made it soft like this. Okay, so this is a base thing that I have done. Now you can take the pencil and now you can define the eye. So I'm making this round, this kind of little bit, this looks like oval. So making this round I'm making, and also I'm making a dot. This dot. So making like this. Then so you must be having gray color. I'm taking this gray and applying this area. So it is interesting that the head is in black and white for this bird, but body is very colorful. So I'm applying this gray here. Then, so I'm making this lines. So put this around the eye also. You can make these lines with the gray. So I have done some gray. So after that, you can take the pencil. Now you are free to define this shape again. This, then also with this pencil, we can make these. This has this particular design like thing. So with the pencil, you can define these. You can also draw this line. So then I have the black. So with the black oil pastels in the lower beak, I'm filling completely. But we know that we will not be able to fill it properly. So we will use a earbud to fill it properly. So now I just filled it, but it is not uniform. You can see. But upper beak, you have to fill it. You have to fill it not completely, only this much you have to fill. So upper beak, just fill only this much. Okay, it's a little bit in the bottom also you can fill it. Okay, so this is how I filled it. This is not uniform. So we know that, so that's how it is. But we are going to use the earbud. So I'm using the earbud. See, for the upper beak, okay, so don't press very hard. Gently you can press it, and kind of you can blending you can do. Okay, for the upper beak, I'm not. So I'm just doing like this. For lower beak, completely we need to fill. For upper beak, so we can do something like something like this. So if you gently press, then the blending will happen properly. So below eye, in the bottom also, little bit of blending you can do. To look little darker. So that's what we want. Okay, so now we can do some scrapping. In the upper beak, so I'm going to do, look at this, I'm doing this, scrapping in this direction. So it looks like a shiny thing. So I make another scrapping like this. Okay, so in the lower beak, top of the lower beak, here I make a scrapping. Okay, so in the bottom of the lower beak also, a small line I'll do. These all will make it look shiny. So once you do this, so with this is done. Next, we need to color the bird. Hey Sriram joining a little late.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
No, it is okay, but you have to see the video and do it because so many 1 hour is over. So maybe you can watch now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Anirudh, have you done? Show me. So this have you done the face? Okay. Very good. Very good. Nicely done, Anirudh. Good work. So Anirudh is very fast doing. Okay, Shivani, nicely done. Okay, Shivani, you have tried your best to make the beak good. So this bottom below the eye, here also little bit shading you can do with the earbud. So this also can look little darker, okay? Behind the lower beak, this place. Okay, good work. I'm seeing from Kritika. Okay, Kritika, nice. Nicely done. Okay, good. So start. So this here is my yellow color. This yellow is called deep yellow, little stronger. So, so this yellow I'm trying to use next to the neck. So this area I'm applying this yellow. So this upper portion of this wings, here I'm applying yellow. The other wing also I'm applying this yellow. And this portion also I'm applying some yellow. So apply this yellow, then take the tissue paper and can blend it. Then after that, orange I need to apply. But before that, there is an interesting thing. This bird has so many colors. This also has here I'm going to apply a little bit of sky blue color also. This has a bright. So we use this blue for the light blue for the sky. So I'm going to apply that blue here. So I apply this blue here. And this also I can blend it, make it uniform using earbud. Since it's a small area, so I am using earbud. I've used this sky blue color here. So I've done sky blue. Then with a brown, maybe we can like we do drawing. So we can define this. Okay, so with the brown color, I can just define or make lines like this. Trying to draw the neck also, neckline also. So the brown we can draw in the. So one change or correction I'm doing. Look at this. In the head, I'm making this line. You see this in the head? I'm making this line and making this. Just make it a little bigger. This only in the starting point. Then make this brown. So now the bird is looking full. Now the simple thing is use orange and everywhere except the blue. Except the blue, this orange we can apply. I'm just applying orange everywhere except the blue, except the head. When you apply the orange, it can go over the that yellow also. So don't worry about it. So I've done here also. Okay. Okay, now using the earbud, trying to blend it. Trying to blend it using the earbud. So at this point, I just want to get rid of the paper white. So maybe you can use the tissue paper. I'm trying to use it. Okay, some areas are small, so it's better to use earbud for those areas, particularly above the head, near the head. So you should not see any paper white. Clearly blend it and set the nice background. So this, the red and again orange and red, then brown, all that we are going to do. Then finally we'll do some scrapping also. So again with the orange, just so maybe we need not use orange. We can use red now. With the orange, I'm just making few lines like this. See, okay. So you can use red now. So with the red, I'm using these, making these lines. Maybe before red, you can use, so let's make some feather shape of the feathers. Dark brown I'm using. So I'm going to make, look at this. So we know how to make the shape of the feathers, right? So like this we can make. So look at this, I'm just making shape of the feathers. There is a line and a curve that we were doing during the sketching. Okay, so remember that. There's so many lines and curves I'm making. Here is the feather. The shape of the wings. So I'm making with the dark brown again. Okay, so we'll use dark brown a little later. So time being, just do this. Then with the red, you can make these lines. So all over this place, you can make these lines with the red. Feather like, the direction of these lines are important. So in the head, it is going to be in this direction. So the red, I'm made so many lines like this. So doing these feathers, only in these feathers. Maybe in the bottom also I can do. So many red lines I've done. So I'll take the tissue paper. Maybe I'm not pressing very hard, pressing very light and trying to make it soft. Little bit, I'm trying to make it soft. So red lines we have done, and I just, so almost it is looking same. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to use dark brown. Dark brown and try to give some shades, darker shades. So with the red, we have done those lines, similar manner. So I'm going to do dark brown, but not using dark brown in all the areas. I'm using this, the neck, This place I'm making it dark. Maybe my video is very bright and to reduce the brightness a little bit. Okay. So I'm in this neck, this area I'm using dark brown. Here I'm using dark brown. Here wings, then this throat area, here dark brown. So this is starts giving good depth. The head also, okay. I'm using dark brown here. Just so now I'm the red. I can take the red and apply red, more red. Applying more red now, like this, making the bird more colorful, applying more red. So I'm just doing here also, applying more red. So apply more red and make it colorful. Then we'll do the scrapping. So I did more red. So when you apply more red, the edges, you can make some hair-like lines also. So look at this in the top. I'm making a little bit hair-like lines in the boundary. Okay, so I'm making hair-like lines with the red. In the wings also, I'm doing both the side wings. I'm doing. The last thing to do is scrapping. Last thing to do is scrapping. In the wings near the neck, some places we applied those yellow. So look at this. I'm going to scrap out and look at this yellow line. Look at this. This is the magic. So this is why we applied the yellow first. See this how beautifully it has come. And when you do the scrapping, make it like, look at all the curvy lines. The lines can be curvy and this is going to look like beautiful hairs. So this is the technique. So it's not only here. So we can do this scrapping in other places also. So we applied the orange. That orange we will start seeing. So this scrapping I'll do in this wing. Here also I'm going to do it. Here also we did. And so do it slow and it has to be curvy. Okay. So in the wing, I'm doing both the wings will do. Do here, a little bit in the bottom also I'll do. in each feather also little bit. So this is class number 6, I guess. So I'll send the video and homework for the previous class as well as this class. So a lot of this feather, some scrapping you can do for the feather also. So scrapping tool itself is a tricky thing. You have to try out different scrapping tools and you have to see which one works out for you. Okay, so far so good. This we are done with this artwork. So if required some brown lines also, you can do it. If you like, you can add some brown. So I'll show you the homework. So with this, we are done with this. So the homework is going to be the Kingfisher. This is one of the homework. See this? Same technique I've used for this also. Okay, but here light blue, dark blue I've used. White also I've used. The same way the yellow, white, orange has been used for the body. Okay, you can check the video and work on this. I'll share it. Okay. Okay, so once you complete, you can show it to me. I'm seeing from Shivani. Okay, நல்லா இருக்கு. Shivani கீழ வந்து இங்க it has to be blue, right? It looks like you've given green.
I have done blue because of the yellow light. It's like green.
Okay. Well, you did blue, but because of yellow and oh, okay, yellow light, it is okay. Fine. So got it. It is looking good. Okay, so here in the feather also more scrapping can be done. Okay, and I'll make uniform curvy scrapping. Other areas throughout the body you can do the scrapping. So we first applied orange, and throughout the body you can do the scrapping. Looks good work, good. And do you realize that the beak shape? Look at this. This looks like a crescent, right? So this shape also important. The colors and techniques and everything is good, but in the sketching time, look at this shape, like a crescent. So that shape, if you get, it will be more better. But now you can't do anything. But keep that in mind. Okay. Good work. So I'm going to see. Okay, I'm going to see from Kritika. Okay, Kritika looks nice. It is colorful and beautiful. So in the scrapping பண்ணும்போது அது uniform இருக்கணும் actually, curvy and uniform. Okay, so looks like you've tried your best, and some brown also you can use it for the feathers and make it darker. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good work. Some red கூட இங்கெல்லாம் நிறைய போடலாம், but it's all right. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, good work. So Anirudh can show, Madhu can show. Sriram, you can try based on the video. Okay, Anirudh. So now we can see a little bit after completing. Okay, looks good, Anirudh. Scrapping also we enjoyed doing it. The overall shape of the bird is good. Okay, good work, Anirudh. Very good. So, but you have to disable that virtual thing. Okay, sometimes the artwork is not seen well. Okay, so I've shown you the homework also. Madhu, can you show or will you send it to me later? Okay, no response from Madhu. Okay, see you all guys. Bye. See you next week. Bye bye.
Bye.
Yeah.